It's the Urban Yog's 3-in-1 hot air brush. Is a game changer to have salon-like finish at home. Using it on its cool temperature setting with a dryer attachment and dry my hair up to 70%. Partition your damped hair into small sections and replace the attachment with a hot air brush. Changing the attachment is just so easy. One twist and it's locked. Comes with 3 heat settings at low, medium and high. Take your hair section, pull it downwards, let it stay for a few seconds and there you go. There's a clear visible difference between both the sides. I'm using the same technique to blow dry my stubborn textured hair, resulting into shiny, bouncy and manageable hair. And hello frizz-free hair, reviewed and thus recommending this hassle-free product.